What's up guys, welcome back. This is Techicas and I'm Mika, and maybe you might see this intro in this big boys unboxing. Tough truth. So guys, the laptop itself, let's open it and just put this here. That comes off smoothly, and in fact this is my first ever MacBook Pro which I've bought for myself, so this is a special laptop in my life for me. And here we have the type C to type C charging cable, and we might have some Apple stickers right here. We would actually have some Apple stickers. Where are those? Okay, here are those. I guess the Apple stickers stuck in. Okay, some silver Apple stickers are new to the brand now. They are actually doing this kind of stuff from 2019 when they launched the MacBook Pro 16-inch. Keeping these guys aside, we have a 96 watt adapter type C. This is the same size as my old 2017 MacBook Air. Okay, let's look a bit deeper into the laptop. So guys, this is a really kind of a precious moment for me in my life. This is officially the first time that I'm buying a MacBook for myself. The MacBook which I already have is a 2017 version MacBook Air, and it was actually my mom's. She actually gave it to me after she got a new laptop, but this is different. This laptop is for me, and this is the first time I'm going to be unboxing, and yeah, I actually unboxed it. I'm going to be unwrapping and opening a MacBook. You guys get to see it. Let's go into the video. The packaging of Apple is like, it's so damn awesome and so damn freaking. You would like to unbox thousands and thousands of laptops every day, but yeah, you can't. Only if you're Apple, like you're working on Apple, you will be able to do that. But first open, let's go into the video. Book for the first time in life. That sound just came up, the Mac sound. These are the minor things that Apple are really known for. This automatic start when I open the lid. This is just cool, right? The first startup. I guess you can see me in the reflection. This actually isn't a matte display, but this is what people call an retina display. So let me do some signing in. And the first time I'm touching a MacBook like this, it has a big trackpad than I actually imagined.